Hey. Hey. Wake up. Come on. What? What do you want? Time to get up. We gotta go to work. We got stuff to do. We got lots of stuff to do today. Ugh. Man, get out of here. I don't feel like working today. You sassing me? I'm gonna take you to get the vaccine if you don't act right. Yes, sir, boss. Yes, sir. I'll be good. Yes, yeah. Yeah, I'm ready to go to work. Yeah. Yes, sir, yeah. Wow, that worked. Good. Yeah. Let's get to work. Yeah. This is day 3 wrap up. I like to kind of just wing this, the video portion of this stuff. I figure it's pretty cool to kind of be a cool idea to do a little wrap up of each day and talk about what I got accomplished. Today, I got the drawer slide. The drawer slide's in, the drawer box built. These are full extension, 100-pound capacity drawer slides. Whenever I built my platform bed with drawers all the way around, there's like 18 drawers in it. It's got drawers all the way around. And you would think that after doing that many drawer slides, it would have been easier, but I still had to sit here and scratch my head. But each drawer slide that I install, it gets a little bit easier. So this actually went a lot smoother. I just wanted to make sure that everything was where it's supposed to be and everything was going to work. And I've really found that if I'm recording my process out here, it makes me slow down and think about what I'm doing. If I'm just in here, and in the past I'll just be slapping stuff together and just hauling butt going through the whole process. But since I've started recording what I'm doing out here, I've been able to kind of take a step back and take breaks in between each step and really think about it. So this has been a really cool experience to record and make videos of what I'm doing out here. I don't know, it's been pretty surreal being able to make these videos and then watch it and see where I messed up, see what I did wrong, and see what I did right, more importantly. This was a good day, really good, productive day. Slides worked great. This is going to be really awesome once I get the, tomorrow I'll plan on getting the door built for it. I still have to think about how I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm really proud of it. I've never built anything this nice. I'm really inspired right now. So that's it for today. I'm tired, I'm hot, I'm dehydrated just like the other day. And I've thought about what I'm going to say to close out my videos. Well, I forgot. I forgot what I was going to say. Hey, this has been another Fake It or Make It video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave comments, like, subscribe, share. Let's have a conversation down in the comments below. If y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, I'd be glad to hear it. Y'all come back now.